Alrighty guys, so today we got our package from Hybrid Racing and let's see what we have today. So here you go, might be a hint. We'll look at this a little later. Also right here, this is also a hint. We'll look at this a little bit later. And the main beauty of today is, oh, look at this beauty. This right here, my friends. So all this right here is something that was not in the budget for the K-Swap. This is more of a want. So for Thanksgiving, you know, everyone else had a 4-day weekend. We still had to work, but we got paid on our days off. So for that, you know, with that, some of that extra income, I decided to splurge a little bit, and this is what I bought for the swap. This is not very necessary, but it is a nice perk. And as you can see, is the RBC OEM intake manifold. I believe these come in the SIs. So pretty much my stock one off the TSX kind of goes downward, and then the air goes through, and it's not really a fit. This right here is a sexy piece. Like I said, it was not in the immediate budget, but why not? I also did get the thermal gasket for this, so this obviously goes right here. This, honestly forgot what the fuck this is. It's the aluminum throttle body that will basically let me mate. So this is a 2005 Honda Accord manual throttle body. These are a good addition for when doing a budget K build. This throttle body connects to here like so, like so. This basically goes like this and lines up right there. So again, just a quick video. This is a small purchase that I did for the Honda build. It was splurging a little bit. It's Christmas, might as well buy something for the car, not really for me, but I will get great benefit out of this. So